My name's Greg Wallace from Bodhi Surfboards. At Bodhi Surfboards we teach people how to build hollow wooden surfboards, bodyboards and paddleboards. We use locally grown, sustainably grown Paulownia timber. We get it milled in the Perth Hills and then everything's machined in the shop. We computer design and laser cut all our own frames. And each board is glassed in-house using Surfset Flex epoxy acrylic resin for long life and good wear and tear. We build anything from short boards up to a 10.5 foot paddle board. Every board is customisable in that you can change the nose shape, tail shape, you set your own rocker, your own rail profiles. We teach everything based on understanding, not knowledge, so we really try and get you to understand how a board works. First and foremost, the boards are built to be functional. Second, they're a functional art piece. And third, we want them to be handed down so they're an heirloom. You can find us at www.bodhitreesurf.com.au or at bodhitreesurf on Instagram and Facebook. If you've got any inquiries, please give us a bell and hope to see you in the shed soon. Yew!